Now let's delve deeper into the wonders of Luminolift trademark. This groundbreaking treatment harnesses the power of advanced laser technology and targeted collagen stimulation to combat those stubborn wrinkles. By precisely targeting the affected areas, Luminolift trademark stimulates the production of collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining skin elasticity and youthfulness. In fact, studies have shown that Luminolift trademark can increase collagen production by a whopping 70%, leading to remarkable improvements in skin texture and firmness. But that's not all. Luminolift trademark also incorporates the use of nanotechnology-infused serums that are specifically formulated to penetrate deep into the skin layers, delivering a powerful blend of antioxidants and hydrating ingredients. This unique combination works synergistically to rejuvenate your skin from within, leaving you with a radiant and youthful glow. Now I know what you're thinking. How much does this miracle treatment cost? Well, brace yourself for this mind-blowing fact. Luminolift trademark is not only highly effective, but it's also surprisingly affordable. Compared to traditional surgical procedures or invasive treatments, Luminolift trademark offers a cost-effective solution with long-lasting results. Say goodbye to those expensive creams and serums that promise the world but deliver little to no results. Luminolift trademark is here to revolutionize your skincare routine without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. In our next video, we'll uncover the inspiring stories of individuals who have undergone the Luminolift trademark treatment and experienced incredible transformations. We'll witness their before and after photos, hear their personal testimonials, and gain valuable insights into the life-changing effects of this revolutionary anti-age treatment. Trust me, folks, you won't want to miss it. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because in the next video, we'll take this Luminolift trademark journey to a whole new level. Get ready to be blown away by the jaw-dropping results and discover how you can be the next success story. Your path to youthful, wrinkle-free skin starts right here, right now. Stay tuned, my friends, and get ready for an unforgettable experience. Remember, the most exciting part awaits you in the next video. Until then, keep that curiosity alive and stay fabulous. Alright, folks, get ready for the grand finale of our Luminolift trademark adventure. In this next video, we're diving even deeper into the magic behind this extraordinary anti-age treatment. Brace yourselves for the most jaw-dropping revelations and captivating stories you've ever witnessed. But first, let's talk about the results. Picture this. After just one Luminolift trademark session, participants experienced an average wrinkle reduction of 42%. Can you believe it? 42%. It's like turning back the clock on your skin. And it gets better. With each subsequent treatment, the results become even more astounding. By the fourth session, that reduction skyrocketed to an incredible 85%. You might be wondering about the safety of Luminolift trademark. Well, rest assured, my friends. This treatment is non-invasive, non-surgical, and completely painless. That's right, no needles, no incisions, and certainly no downtime. You can walk in during your lunch break and walk out looking like a rejuvenated superstar. It's the ultimate lunchtime beauty fix. Now let's talk about the secret sauce of Luminolift trademark, the nanotechnology-infused serums. These specialized serums are carefully crafted to nourish and revitalize your skin on a cellular level. They work in harmony with the laser technology to supercharge your results. And here's a staggering statistic for you. 96% of Luminolift trademark users reported a significant improvement in their skin's hydration and texture. That's almost everyone, folks. The numbers don't lie. But what truly sets Luminolift trademark apart is the emotional impact it has on people's lives. It's not just about looking younger, it's about feeling more confident, more radiant, and embracing your true beauty. In our next video, we'll meet individuals who have experienced incredible transformations both inside and out. You'll hear their heartfelt stories of newfound self-assurance and how Luminolift trademark has become a turning point in their lives. So, my lovely viewers, get ready to witness the awe-inspiring power of Luminolift trademark. Don't miss out on the next chapter of this incredible journey. Subscribe now, hit that notification bell, and be the first to join us on this life-changing quest. Remember, the best is yet to come, and it's waiting for you in the next video. Together, we'll unravel the secrets of timeless beauty and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Get ready to be amazed, my friends. See you there.